Hi, I'm Simon with AppliancePartsPros.com. Today we're going to show you how to repair your appliance. Are you ready? Remember, anytime you work on your appliance, make sure it's unplugged or the circuit breakers are off so there's no chance of electrocution. In this video, we'll show you how to replace the flapper door with a Mullion heater in a Kenmore refrigerator. It's going to be a very easy repair. Should only take a few minutes to show you how to do it. For this job, we're going to need a Phillips screwdriver. When you open up the package, you're going to get a new flapper door with a Mullion heater. The flapper door is mounted on the outer side of the left French door. It latches the door into the door holder, keeping it closed. It has a built-in Mullion heater and 3 hinges that allow the flapper door to turn 90 degrees when it gets in and out of the door holder. The main reason for the flapper door to be replaced is if the hinges break, causing the French doors not to close properly, or the heater burns out, causing condensation to build up on the flapper door. To get to the part, we need to open the left side French door. Now I'm going to open the flapper door. Okay, so I'm going to take out the steel screws using a Phillips screwdriver that they hold the central hinge. Now I'm going to push up the door so we'll free it from the top and bottom hinges. And then we're going to pull out this harness and disconnect this plug by pressing down that tab. This is the old flapper door with Mullion heater next to the new one. If you don't have this part, you can get it from AppliancePartsPros.com. Alright, this is a new flapper door, and I would like to point that there's a slight difference in this one compared to the old one. You will see that there's no exposed spring. It's internally installed. So we need to make sure that the bottom hinge is open. And looking at the top hinge, make sure that it's also in open position like that. Then we go to the middle and I'm going to plug in this harness. Make sure it's locked. Then I'm going to place this plug into this little groove here. So we're going to install upper and lower hinges, slide it down. Then we're going to close the middle hinge and push everything down. Alright, so we see these holes are matching, and we're going to secure it with the 2 Phillips screws using a Phillips screwdriver. Now I'm going to close this flapper door, and I'm going to peel off the protective film. And now I can close the French door. Plug the fridge back in and make sure it's cooling. Thank you for being a part of another successful repair brought to you by AppliancePartsPros.com. For any of your future appliance repair projects, please check out our other videos available on our site, on Facebook, on YouTube, and on Instagram.